Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel A to Z Creative, where we create arts and crafts from A to Z. One of my challenges this year is to use up my craft supplies before buying anything new. So I found this Crayola air dry clay that's been sitting around for over 2 years, and I thought, why not make a Tic Tac Toe board? Since this air dry clay has been sitting for a while, it's a bit crumbly. But sprinkling it with water helps bring the pieces together and makes it easier to knead. I'm using a hairspray bottle as my rolling pin and a wooden dowel to roll it out evenly. By the way, I already laid out my Tic Tac Toe board design in Canva and printed it as a guide. Sure, there are easier ways to make Tic Tac Toe board, but I wanted to challenge myself and use air dry clay. For me, the more complicated the project, the more rewarding the outcome. Plus, I really need to use up this clay. I also printed out a border design for the board. Just a tip, make sure to score any 2 pieces of clay you want to join together and use a wet sponge to smooth the surface. This project took me about 2 hours because I decided to add a border around the board, which wasn't part of my original plan, but hey, I love complicated projects as what I've said, and it's more satisfying in the end. For the X, I used a monstrous font in bold, and for the O, I used round and heart-shaped cookie cutters. Once everything was done, I let the clay dry completely, and it actually dried in 3 days. But I waited a week to finish it because, well, I have a full-time job and weekdays are busy. For the board, I painted it with black acrylic paint and added a gold speckle design. Honestly, I couldn't decide if I love the gold speckles or not. What do you think? As for the X and O, I spray painted them with gold. And here it is, my Tic Tac Toe board. I absolutely love it, and it's not just a game board, it's also a chic accent for a coffee table. At least I achieved my goal with this project. I spent $0. I used my stock of air dry clay and paints. I even have some clay left for future projects. But honestly, I may end up buying more clay, and I think I'm hooked on this medium. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our DIY projects. Thanks for watching!